Hi guys, this is a quick video just to do a sound sample of this Casio keyboard. It's the Casiotone S-300. It's a budget keyboard. I think it has 71 keys. It has touch sensibility, so if I play softly, it sounds quiet. If I start hit hard, it sounds quite loud. The speakers are nice for like a practice room. I have it here in my studio, so it's a very good instrument for beginners. And the piano feel, it's kind of like with the texture, so I think it's more premium than some other cheap plastic options. This piano costs around 150 bucks, so I think it's pretty affordable. The price may vary depending on your country, but that's about the range, 150 and to $100. It comes out of the box with these settings. It has a stereo grand piano sound, and it has some reverb. And the reverb, I find it a bit annoying, as you can hear here. It has like a long tail, and it sounds artificial. I rather use this setup, which is taking off the reverb. You hit function here in the menu. You just go to reverb, and you go to turn it off, like here, off. I think it sounds a bit more, I don't know, more clear, the sound. It doesn't get all moody, all washed up. Or you can add a bit of reverb like room 1, which I think that's a bit of that tail, but not as impactful as the other option. Also, I rather use, instead of hear the stereo sound, the grand piano sound, it's a bit more dry, more direct, but I think it kind of lets you hear the sound more clearly and actually recognize the notes. So here's the same middle C, and it's also a bit louder, I think. This piano, I think it was just sample from one octave and then transpose and adjust to the higher ones, because the basses sound nice. I mean, they don't sound bad. As you can see, I'm not a pianist, so very sorry, I'm just a beginner. And here on the high register, I think it kind of sounds a bit artificial, a bit pitch shifted, but I think it gets the job done for beginners to learn to play the piano like myself. So, if you're just starting your musical journey, you want a cheap instrument that also has the touch sensibility, that can get you to know the feel of playing a piano. It's not hammer weighted or semi weighted, they're just all the same rigidness. But I think it's a good instrument. It feels nice on the hands. It has certain texture. It doesn't feel slippery or shiny like some plastic other keys on other keyboards. So I think for the price, like $150, it's quite a deal. And yeah, here's just a quick sample of melody and chords from on both registers, so you can get an idea of the sound. And if it's enough for you, you can take the decision and buy the piano. So there are some chords. Some other chords here on the bass. And on the middle C, just the C major scale. Some arpeggios. I'm not a pianist, as you can see. I'm just jumping my fingers around. I think it's a decent instrument. Once again, if you're just starting, a direct competitor to this piano is same model, the Casiotone CTS1, I think. It has a better chip, it has better samples, but it's $100 more expensive, I think. At least in my country, it's $100 more expensive. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video useful. If you're planning to buy your first keyboard, or if you're gonna, I don't know, give it a gift to a children to see if they want to learn piano, this is a good option. It's decent, as I told you. If you turn off the reverb with function, go here, reverb room 1, or just off, I think it gives you a better sound. Also, the tone grand piano is better than the stereo grand piano. So that's it, guys. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any other question, I'll link the specs of this piano in the description, and you can leave any comment. If I can answer it and I can help you, I'll do that. So see you guys, and have a great playing.